this right here. Built-in beer coolers on both sides. I had to put them on both sides because if I was drunk and was ended up on that side, I just didn't want to walk all the way around.
Cool. What's your name, my man?
Jeff.
What do you got here, buddy?
Got a 1965 F100. Got a 390 FE motor in it. Mustang 2 in the front.
Looks a little lower, yeah.
Yep. Running a set of trailing arms in the back. Got a big 10-inch C-notch in it.
Nice.
Running 8.8 Explorer.
You like that 8.8?
I do.
Is the handle and everything that you had to throw at it?
Handles just fine, man. That allows me to get them deep 17 by 11 inch wheels.
Those are awesome. Oh my gosh, yeah. Did you do anything to your FE?
No, just kind of cleaned it up a little bit. Just nice and neat, man. Nothing wild, but.
Did you put a cam in or anything?
Yeah, it's got a little thumper cam in.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. It's a good little cruiser.
Super cool, man.
Interior's all stock. Behind the seat, running, just big 10-inch base for sub and kicker amps and 6x9s and
yeah, it's awesome.
Kicker in the back.
So tell us, what wheels are these? Oh, I see. Torque thrust 2s?
Yep, just torque thrust 2s.
Sweet. A one piece, looks like?
Yeah, it is.
That's cool, man. I like that. You say you're running a trailer arm and all that stuff, but what else you got underneath there?
Nothing, it's just built underneath there for storage.
All right, cool.
So, just raised up the bed forward, made a little storage in the back. We gotta have a real plate in my state in North Carolina.
So drop her down.
I just drop it, and then it also hid my little fuel tank here. So if the cops pull you over, you're allowed to run the year plate of the vehicle, but you gotta have a real plate.
Interesting. Yeah. That's weird.
Yep.
So what other feature of this bed do you have?
The biggest, coolest feature of it is my built-in beer coolers on both sides. So that way, if you get thirsty, you ain't got to drag coolers out. You already got them with you.
That's awesome, man. It's on both sides, so that what'd you say?
On both sides.
You put it on both sides for what reason?
When you're drinking and you end up on that side or this side, it don't matter.
You're not like that. That's cool. Where are you out of again, man?
Charlotte, North Carolina.
That's cool. Another reason, guys, I come to Grand Nationals here in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. Awesome trucks just like this. Good job, buddy.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
Have a good one.
Thank you.